In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add chat to OBS. Firstly, start your live stream or create a scheduled stream. Click the pop-out chat open from your YouTube chat window. Copy the URL from the new browser window, then go to Twitch channel. Open the chat, click the settings gear icon, then choose pop-out chat. Copy the URL from the new window. Now, sign up for a dead simple chat, then create a chat room. Click Open Chat Room, then copy the browser URL. Now you need to open OBS Studio and do the following. At the bottom under Sources, click the plus button. Select Browser and name it something like Live Chat, then click OK. Paste your chat URL in the URL field and set width to 400 and height for 600, then click OK. Now your live chat will appear inside your stream layout. If you want to interact with the chat directly within OBS, right-click the chat in your sources list. Click Interact. A browser window will open in OBS, log in, or enter your chat name to join. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.